So to install the drivers for PostgreSQL on Windows, go to postgresql.org/downloads, click on Windows. Click on this link. We want to download the 64-bit version. I'm going to use the latest version because the drivers are backwards compatible. Okay, we're starting the download. We can monitor the progress here. Start the installer. Now I'm going to disable the first two options and just use the stack builder and the command line tools. The command line tools might be handy. So we'll do the install. It doesn't take long, but it's only the first step. We want to leave this ticked because we want to start the stack builder application. We're going to fetch from a remote server. This lets us install all kinds of components. We're interested in the drivers. This one is used for PowerBI, and we've got a Java driver. We've got a 32-bit driver and a 64-bit odbc driver. I'm going to install all four of them. Now it does some downloading here for the drivers that I've requested. And now we go to install the drivers. Sometimes I notice that you need to use the icons in the taskbar to raise the window to the front. On this occasion it's worked fine. Okay, it says it's finished. So if I look at the odbc drivers, for instance, I installed 64-bit and the 32-bit version. So let's run the 64-bit version. We'll look at the drivers, and we see the latest Postgres drivers are there. So that's good. So it's finished. It's installed now.